Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bluetooth device paired list on your Pioneer Bluetooth radio. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Pioneer Bluetooth radio. How do you actually go ahead and see what devices are connected to it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is turn on your Pioneer Bluetooth radio, then click on Settings. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Bluetooth Settings. Once you click on Bluetooth Settings, you want to click on Bluetooth Paired Device List. And this right here is going to show all the devices that are currently connected to your Bluetooth Pioneer radio. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your Bluetooth Paired Device List on a Bluetooth Pioneer radio. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.